Alright guys, a little different scenery here. Went to the first job site for the first 3 hours and then went over here for the rest of the day. So what we did was we were gonna hang some lights, but they were painting and they want to do something with the ceiling, so I think I'm alone, but I'm not sure. So I hung this light right here, still needs to get zip tied with the MC, so that's on the aircraft cable. I always want to say airline cable. But these are the lights there. These are basically the same light, but they're 8-footers. They're going to be screwed to the trusses right here, but we pulled a bunch of wire, as you can see right here. Pulled all the switch legs from the switches up to the boxes, and then pulled most of the wire. Didn't get to finish it. There's still some in that other room down there that needs to get done, but most of it's done. So pulled the wire between all the boxes for the power, the circuit for the switch legs for the lights, and then just sending power through. Home run comes in here, power is going through from box to box, and then so just sending the power and the switch legs through for their appropriate spots. Some of these boxes are in not that ideal places, but that's probably where they called for. So there's another box on the other side, but switches and stuff like that. Just passed out some lights. So, yep, there's some more wire over there. So just went through all these. About to sneeze, excuse me. Oh my goodness. Bless you, thank you. Okay, so there's another one right there. I don't know if you guys want to see all this, but if you do, I'm just gonna do a little walkthrough. So we still have to pull wire from here, from this box. There's a few boxes in between, one right there, one right there. Kind of goes in a U shape. Need wire there, and that's where the one comes in, and then it comes back out. So need a wire from this pipe, and that other pipe over there. But we pulled all the switch leg boxes and then started to run the jumpers in between. So just gotta figure. My phone decided to randomly crash, so that's cool. So I've got another box right there, and then this one has a 3-way. So we just went with 2 yellows. One's like a darker, and the other one's a brighter. So just pulled the loops here. Just pulled the wire straight through, and then pulled loops for each box, and then kept the travelers tight through the box, so those don't get mixed up and have a bunch of extra wire that you have to smash in the box. So there's the other box, and then that 90s down into the switch right there. So I think that's mostly all we did today here, pulling wire, and yeah, and then I hung that one light. So yeah, that's pretty much what we did here today. I hope you enjoyed. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching the video and making it to the end. I'm going to try to get a few more videos out over the weekend. Tomorrow if I have some free time, but another Corvette video, taking another friend for a ride, and the car show I went to yesterday, I recorded a bunch of cool cars I liked, a bunch of Corvettes, say like 85-90% Corvettes, but there's some old hot rods and stuff like that too. So I'll just be it'll just be basically like a slideshow of a video slideshow, and then I'll try to put some music on the background or whatever, so it'll still be cool. So I'll be on the lookout for those 2 videos. Thanks for watching as always. I'd appreciate it if you guys drop the video a like and subscribe, and I hope you guys, it's actually not Friday, so I don't know why I'm saying I hope you guys have a good weekend, because anyways, I still hope you have a good weekend, and catch you guys tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.